now.
Okay.
Janice, she's recording.
I know. Mine still say off air though.
Mine too.
It says it's recording. Maybe because I'm the one that's
Oh,
Okay.
there it is. Okay.
okay.
Are y'all up? Everybody pulled up on my MATLAB?
I am.
I'm on. I'm up.
Number
Okay.
one. Go ahead, Miss Sharon.
Y'all said
No.
10 questions. I see
It's 10 questions.
group activity 3.
4.
You're on.
It's just it say 4, tested 3. It's supposed to say 5, exam 3,
Yeah.
but it says 4, exam 3.
Oh,
You said it says group activity number 4, review for exam 3, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
okay. Now, I've been playing other ones, so I'm slow on this count.
Okay. Just like whenever we're ready.
I'm ready. Go ahead.
I'm
It
ready.
says a TV talk show host asks the TV audience, do you support new national knowledge standards for automobiles and ask people to vote by telephone at a toll-free poll. Consider a hypothetical study described based solely on information given you your reason, question the results of the study, explain your reasoning. I believe it's
It's
the
biased.
top. Yeah, there's a strong. Yes. Call and post tend to be biased, which is D.
Wait, D?
It's call and post. Yeah, they seem to be biased. I also have.
Oh, mine is A.
Yes, there is a reason the TV audience might not be represented.
Of the population.
Uh-huh. And then the third one is there is a reason the wording of the question.
Right.
So it's that one. It's
So
those three.
All 3.
It's 3. Yeah.
It's all 3 or what?
what?
All 3 yeses.
It's all 3 yeses.
Who are they? They're my friends for math class. Nosy. You want to say hi? I know you do. Sorry, she nosy. Say hi.
Hi, Kitty.
Okay, go. Let me finish my homework.
Mommy! I'm watching it. Stay right here.
Go.
Did you get them all, Tamika?
Yes, I did.
So number 2.
A's frequency is 1, 2, 3. How many is there total? 2, 8,
So 8 is
24.
Yeah.
24 total.
My calculator.
We have 3, 8, 9, 3, 1. There's 3 A's,
Mm-hmm.
8 B's, 9 C's, 3 D's, and it's 1 F. Right, 1 F.
So 3, 8, 9, 3, 1.
Uh-huh. And
And
then
then the percentage y'all said, how did we calculate that again? You do
the number
24.
divided by 24.
The number, like 3 divided by 24.
So it'd be 8%.
So for
No, it's the other
A
way.
would be 12.5.
12.5.
Oh.
For
You
number
move the
8,
decimal.
for number 8, it would be 33.3.
Go, Corey.
Mama.
Go.
For 9 is 37.5. And for 3 again, it's 12.5.
Because I have to. Stop talking.
And then it's 4 for the 1.
You said 4?
Mm-hmm.
And then on a cumulative frequency, you just add.
Yeah, so it
confused
was
on this
3
one.
plus the 8 is 11.
11.
So
So
11
that's
plus
11 is for A or B.
B is for 11. A is 3, B is 11.
And then
C is 11 plus, right. 9 is 20.
See, I was getting confused. I thought it was 11 plus the B.
Wait, y'all confusing me.
Yeah, I am too.
Oh, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Let me see if I have. So, are you confused on the cumulative?
Yes. What is
Okay. So for the cumulative, the first number is 3, right? For A is 3. So to get the cumulative for B, you would add the 3 plus the 8, which you got for B, which equals 11. And then for C, it would be the 11 plus the 9.
So you basically take the previous value and add it to the next one.
Right.
So then 20 plus 3.
But is
Right.
it
What'd you say?
I said, is it B8?
Yes.
But 8 plus 3.
Huh?
For the cumulative. The frequency is 8. So to get the cumulative for the frequency, you add the 3 of the cumulative to the 8 of the frequency, which gives you 11 for the frequency.
Then you do the 11 plus the 8.
Then 11 plus 8 for C.
Right.
Oh wait, I put
Oh, that's for
20.
B.
That's 19.
So then 19 plus 9. Corey, you get out of here, baby.
Wait, 19 plus 9.
For the cumulative, you got 3 plus 8 is 11. So then you have 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9 is 20. So in the cumulative, you have 3, 11, and 20 so far.
Right. I was making sure. I don't know why I said 3 plus 11 plus 8.
So you take the 20 and you scroll down to the D and add the 3, which gives you 23.
Plus 1 is 24.
And then the 1 is 24.
And then you add them all together, right?
Yes. And they should equal. Well, no. You just bring that 24 that you got down, and that's the cumulative is 24. It can't be more than 24.
All right.
Okay, question. On relative, on A, I have 33. B.
On A, 33 is 3 is 12.5%.
3 is 12.5%.
Relative.
And what was B?
33.3.
Oh, I was so behind. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused too. So on B, is it 8, 33.3%, and then 19?
No, it's 8, 33.3, and 11, because 3 and the 8 that you got for the frequency is 11.
I thought that was for A though.
A
is 3.
Because you added nothing to it. It's all by itself.
Oh, okay. So you just keep that one the same.
And then the next one, you accumulate the value of the next one.
Right.
So 11 plus 9 is the next one.
Yes.
That would be for C.
C. And then you take that value, which is 20, and add it to D to get the cumulative frequency of D.
Would be 23, and then the next one would be 24.
Right. 23 plus 1.
Now on C and D, I didn't finish getting the percent.
It's 37.5 for C.
And 12.5.
12.5 for D. And 4 for F.
Yeah, I got that one.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then add it all up, the cumulative.
No, the cumulative can't be more than 24.
Right.
What's
So you just bring 24 down.
What's the open box?
24.
You just put 24 in there.
So it should be 30, 11, 20, 23, 24, 24.
Yes.
So for the frequency total is 24 too, right?
Right. Hey, anybody? Never mind. Forgot we were live.
Okay. And then he gave us the same one for the third question, I believe.
Oh God.
It's the same exact number of values?
I believe so.
6, 8. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's 3, 8, 9, 3, and 1. Yeah.
So it was 12.5, 33.3, 37.5,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
then 12.5, then
Yes.
4. Wait, 37, 33.3. I'm tripping. 37.5.
You said 37.2, 6.5, and 4.
Hmm?
It's no 37.5, 12.5,
4.
4.
37 point what?
5.
Oh.
Nah, I'm going to say it. Y'all heard from the other new person?
Mm-mm.
I've reached out a few times and I just gave up because I have other fish to fry.
The
Yeah.
total is 24, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Be my kids.
Y'all number 4?
Yes. So number 4, I figured it was a strong negative correlation because heavier
It's
cars
declining.
get heavy. Yes, because it's declining. And then for the correct, the B, I said heavier cars generally get higher. I'm sorry, lower gas mileage.
I'm sorry. What was A?
A is a strong negative correlation because it's going down.
Okay.
But they're close in frequency, but it's declining.
Right.
And then, so select the answers below. Heavier cars have lower gas
Yes.
mileage, right?
Right. Right.
So C, well, heavier cars generally get lower gas mileage. Yes.
Right.
Is that true? Hell no.
Yes.
Is it?
hmm
Oh.
How did y'all get to B? Because mine just says select correct answer below, but I don't have anything.
What?
Number
That's a
4.
technical
Okay.
thing.
I had to stroke. I'm sorry. I'm a little
Okay.
slow. What was B? I am. I'm slow today.
According to the graph, it says heavier cars generally get lower gas mileage.
Right.
Yeah, that's true.
Using the letters W and C, list all the possible outcomes for the weather on 2 consecutive days. What?
Yeah.
Oh,
So you get a W. You would get a warm, or warm, cloudy, or
Oh,
cloudy,
yeah.
warm, and cloudy, cloudy.
Okay. By a comma, right?
So
Yes.
W, comma, W, comma, like that.
No,
No.
WW, comma,
WW.
WC, comma, CW, comma, CC.
Right.
Right? Okay.
Right.
y'all say that. Say what?
What'd you say?
On A, what was y'all saying? Y'all said that so fast.
So it's warm and warm, or warm and cloudy.
Or cloudy and warm, and
And
cloudy and
cloudy.
cloudy.
Those are your only options.
Oh, okay. I see what it is.
If we are interested in only the number of W days, what are the possible events for 2 consecutive days?
So it would be
3 out
0.
of 7? No?
It would be 0, 1, or 2,
How did you get that?
because you can have no days that are warm. You can have one day that is warm, or you can have 2 days that are warm, right? Out of the 3 days, you can have no days that are
Oh, out
warm.
of 3 days.
Oh, I mean, out of the 2 days, you can have no days that are warm, right?
Oh,
You
right. Or
can
you can
have
have one out of either the two, or both out of the two.
exactly.
Okay. Okay. Alrighty, righty. Yeah, I know my phone be close. I be holding it in my hand. Determine whether the following individual events are independent or dependent, then find the probability of the combined event. The next 7 births at the hospital all being girls. The individual
Oh,
events
y'all
are,
that one?
huh?
I thought we was on B. I thought we was on B on the second part.
We did it.
It was
Zero.
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, and 2.
I'm serious. Like what?
I got 0, 1, and 2.
Right.
But when did y'all say B?
No. A is C. Hold on. Let me go back to my.
A was the WW, WC, CW, CC.
Right.
You're
And
putting
D
in.
was 0, 1, 2.
Oh. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Miss
Yeah,
Sharon, it's you.
Yeah, it's okay.
W C.
Hold on. I'll just put it to the side. Let me go back.
I'm gonna have to write. So
Where's that one? We already did that one. We already did that. It's WW, WC, CW, or CC. A comma between the WW, comma, WC, comma, CW, comma, and CC.
okay, so I have WW comma WC comma CW comma and CC.
Yes.
Okay. Lord, now I'm probably better. I'm so sorry.
And then you have 0, 1, and 2.
Yeah, I have 0, 1, and 2.
Okay, what's the next one? The next 7 verse.
Whether the following individual events are independent or dependent, then find the probability of the combined event. The next 7 births at a hospital all being girls. Wouldn't that be dependent? Because what would it depend on? I mean, independent, because what would it depend on?
It is independent. And I think it's this 7 times 7 times
7 out of
7.
7.
Yeah. But it would be, hold on.
Would it be a fraction?
It's 7. What's 7 times 7 times 7? 49 times 7.
49 times 7.
Is 340.
343?
Yeah, I did that.
No. I don't think that's right.
Wait. 54, 53.
That's
7.
right. 343.
Mm-mm. So it would be, let me get my anybody have their formula?
Where's my handy calculator? 7. Yeah, it's 343.
Yeah, but I don't think that's the right answer.
Oh, like you don't think it's the right answer for there?
I think it's something like one. Hold on, let me find my formula.
Would you reduce that though?
But it would only be. What did she say the answer was?
It'll be 1 out of 49. It's 343.
No. Hold on, 7 birds. I have it. Positive.
Ooh, are y'all final exam? Because I'm more worried about the final exam. I hope I don't forget all the other stuff.
I went over what he gave us. Oh, the final is I went over it. It's pretty straightforward.
You already seen it?
He has it posted. What I saw up there was posted.
I guess I should check my Blackboard more often.
I'm thinking the formula I think we use. Isn't it the one where we use? You would use the number, which is it's at 7, and then the ways that you can get 7.
Like
What's after that?
I think that's the way to do it.
Huh?
I'm looking, but I think that's the way that you do it.
I have my handy dandy book right here.
What lesson is that? 7B?
It's 7B.
That one is it's five. We're in five, right?
I thought we were in 7 too.
We're in 5 and 7. But I think this question comes from 7B. Combining probabilities. No?
7B. Let me see.
Or 7E, counting and probability.
Oh, Janice, has someone been doing their homework?
Yeah. I have a new schedule at work now, so I be sitting at home. Sitting at work doing it all night.
You go, girl.
I'm sitting at work till 10:30.
Oh,
Do homework.
look, do you have the book? Who does anybody have the book?
I do.
Look,
And
at
mine's electronic.
424 at the bottom to the
424.
Let me see.
I just have a question. This is 424 at the bottom.
Hold on, I'm about to see. Oh yeah, 7. Okay. Here we can pick one. That question, it says that births at the hospital all being girls, and the answer is 1 out of 16. So I think Janice is right. It's 1/49.
Okay. I think it's 7 divided. What was your bottom number?
It would have been 7/343.
So
Okay.
Say again. So we agreed on 1/49.
yeah, I think it's over 1/4. I think it's 1/49.
343.
You say you disagree, Sharon?
I don't think that's right. But we can put it, but we'll. I think it's something else because I had did all my homework. I had did all these and I got 100.
Oh,
Yeah.
we might need to roll with you.
And I think I did it while I was at work, so that's why I don't have. I'm trying to remember what I. Tell me the formula you just used, Stephanie.
Honestly, I don't know what it was the problem. I just seen a question that was similar to our question, and it said the next 4 births at a hospital all being girls, and the answer is 1 out of 16.
Okay, hold on. Let me try something.
So I figured 4 can go into 16 4 times. 4.
I'm trying to log into my work to see what I did.
I'm trying to see if I can some kind of thing. The only thing that I can see that kind of resembles the same question is what is the probability of rolling 3 6s in a row with a single die?
Mm-hmm.
It's 1/6 times 1/6 times 1/6 equals 1 out of 2 16.
So 1 out of 7 times 1/7 times. Okay, that would be 1/7 times 1/7. Yeah. 3. Mm-mm. Okay, we can come back. Let's we can come back to that one.
Okay.
Mhm. What was the next one? Let's see.
Determine whether the following individual events are independent or dependent, then find the probability. Selecting two fully charged batteries in a row from a large batch in which 4% of the batteries are dead. Huh?
So
Since what? Select two fully charged batteries in a row from a large batch in which 4% of the batteries are dead. How many is in a row?
Mm,
Since two batteries are being charged
just so if there's just a large number in the box, we don't know how many are in the box.
Okay. While the individual events are technically dependent, since there's a large number of batteries, the probability of a combined event can be calculated as independent. Probability of the combined event is approximately uh, I'm gonna get my paper back. Hold on.
That was not. It was like a weird number. I'm still trying to log into my work. There we go.
Is this the one with that we use this formula? No, that's for overlapping events.
but the
Yeah,
P A and B equals P times like the P parenthesis
yeah,
A times P parenthesis B.
yeah.
I think it's that one.
For non-overlapping events.
But I feel like there's no numbers.
The probability that A or B is shown below. P A or B equals P times A plus P times times B. So what would P and A and B be?
She
I
left
mean,
us.
probably bad reception. So
Yeah.
what would is are we using a P, A, and B?
I know, but what numbers would we use?
That's what I'm saying. What would be P? P stands for probability. I guess A would be what
The
2.
4%? I don't know. I'm trying to look in this book to see if there's a question kind of like it, but not looking good.
Dang, brain on offset. I'm trying to. If they could say like on the homework on the notes, it doesn't say what value is A. For non-overlapping events A and B, the probability that A or B occurs is shown below. So I'm guessing maybe it wouldn't matter, but we don't even know P.
I'm sorry. No help today.
But what is
I'm
the
almost caught up
combined
though.
event? What are we combining? Determine whether the individuals are independent or dependent. I know it's B because the probability that you choose a fully charged battery is dependent upon how many batteries are in the batch.
I know, but it doesn't even tell you how many's in
Yeah,
there.
it doesn't, but that's how I know it. That's where I get dependent from. Because the
So
probability depends on the outcome depends on how many would actually be there. But there's a large number, so your chances are really slim to select two that are fully charged in a row.
from a large batch.
And only 4% of the batteries are dead. Well, that's a small percentage of them to be dead. So I would think that it's supposed to be
Can
P.
y'all hear me?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can now.
Yeah.
I had my mic mute. So it would be one minus the 0.04 squared.
Huh?
Yes,
Where you get that formula from?
it's the probability. The one we have. So it would be p squared, probability squared, right? Because it's two fully charged. It would equal one minus the percentage, which is 0.04 squared.
1 minus 0.04 squared.
And what does that give you?
1 minus 0.04.
Squared.
Where is my square at?
Mm.
Hold on, let me use my phone. Zero point zero
0.9984.
Okay, and you square that.
Zero point 9968025.
I got 0.9216.
It's 0.92 is the answer. 0.922 is the answer. Because
Okay.
you to the third and you bring that next number over, which makes it a 2. So 0.922.
B is for
So
selecting
On
B or A.
so it's while the individual events are, it's that one.
So 0.9222.
0.922.
2 2.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, my foot is asleep.
Use the at least once rule to find the probability of the following event: getting rain at least once in 6 days, if the probability of rain on each single day is 0.4.
Um, see how I did this one. So for this one, I use
Oh, the at least once rules as 7B, page 431.
Okay. 7B.
Yeah, 431.
I'm not in the book. My book is electronic. I'm trying to look on the notes.
Oh,
It's too much to click back and forth. What's the formula for that one? It's not on here. Oh wait, at least once rule.
it's the 1H and 4. Wait, like the P.
That P,
It's a
A
4.
or the B.
My foot is asleep. Oh, is this independent? Is there one for independent, dependent? It says, I don't know. What is this?
Oh Lord, I'm sleepy.
So it needs to be getting ready at least once in 6 days.
What's the formula? I'm not seeing it.
I'm trying to go back into my working notes.
Oh, okay.
So it looks like they set it up like since there's 6 days, you have to put 6 days, and then the probably
Oh, that's the one where you use 6 days would be 6 times one. Hold on, 6 times. Oh, no, that's wrong. What's the one I used? Probability is 0.953 because 6 days.
Paris. Paris. Turn that TV off and make them go to bed.
That doesn't make sense.
I think we all got a blank stare right now.
Oh, okay. I think I think I might have found it. Well, because it's not really a formula. Like it says P open parentheses at least, like the one that I'm reading. It says P open parentheses at least one flood in 100 years close parentheses equals 1 minus open bracket P open parentheses no flood in 1 year close parentheses open bracket to 100. Drop down. Hold on, let me see if I can show this to y'all. Like in my book. Like you see it right there.
So the probability of no rain. What page are you on?
On 432.
32.
It says the probability is equal to 1 minus the probability of not A.
So,
If I just read right. P open parent P times A equals 1 minus P not A. Is that what you saw?
Yeah. I think it's supposed to be 1 minus open bracket 0.4 close bracket to 100. And that answer is the answer.
1
and
1 minus
hold on, 1 minute. The 0.4, 1 minus 0.4,
and then the parentheses would be 100.
100.
Yeah. Like you close the parentheses and then it's to 100. Like raise it to 100.
0.9,
Can't be quiet.
953, 0.953.
How do I freaking raise it to 100?
Did you get Miss Sharon 0.6 raised to the 100th?
I got 0.953.
So you did 1 minus 0.4 raised to the 100th power?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
0.953. Yeah, me too.
Okay.
What'd y'all get?
0.953. So that would be 950.
No, 0.953.
I couldn't hear y'all because they were talking at the same time.
I'm sorry.
0.953.
But we didn't use the 6. Were we supposed to use the 6? Were we supposed to use the number 6 anywhere in the equation?
So we put 6.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
Maybe it was supposed to be raised to the 6th power instead of 100?
No, because 100 is going to give you the full 100%, right?
Oh, yeah. The probability of
Oh,
rain
wait, no,
is
I think Janice might be right.
because the probability is only 4%.
Yeah, do you see, Miss Sharon, are you looking at the book?
Example 9?
Yeah, because I think where they got that 100 from is from that 100-year flood.
Right.
So do you think we
ours
should
would be
replace
6.
that with the 6?
So it's 6 minus.
No, 1 minus 0.4 to the 6th power.
Oh, I see what you're
Yes,
saying.
yes. That's what I mean to the 6 power, not the 100, because the 100 is a 100-year flood. Right.
God, y'all, make sure y'all's paying attention.
Oh, girl. Somebody do that. I don't have that calculator. I'm using a dollar store one, and I can't do 0.4 6 times.
I need a freaking.
The 6 power is
1 minus 0.4.
0.953.
1 minus 0.4 to the 6th power.
I did it to the 6th power. Right.
.6.
Oh, Dad, I can type the question into Google. So 1 minus, where's the damn bracket? Bracket 0. It's 0.04 or 0.4.
Okay.
0.4.
Say it again.
That's not what I got, 0.953. But we can, I mean, isn't, once we do it, it's going to check it and tell us what we got
I
wrong.
got 0.995.
Okay.
What did you get?
0.953.
Ferris, bring him here. I got 0.995.
You did too. Okay.
Oh, 0.9.
Yeah. Well, that's what I. And computer. Y'all went to 9?
Mm-hmm.
A company's computer password must consist of 4 letters with no repetition of letters. How many different passwords are possible? How many letters are in the alphabet? 26.
Yeah.
You
26.
can't repeat the letters, so
26 times 25 times 24 times 23, right? That's, yes. Is that
20,
26 times 25 times 24 times 23 is what?
358, 800.
That's the answer.
How can you just briefly explain where you got those?
Because it says there's only 26 letters in the alphabets, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we need to do it 4 times. So we're going to go
Okay. Okay.
6, 25, 24, 23.
Okay. I get you.
wait, what did you say the answer was?
3,
358.
5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 800.
Okay, I was, because that's what I got. I was like, I didn't. 3, 5.
Sorry, I got a call in between. I said 358. What?
800.
358,800.
Say that again. Say that again.
358 800.
An election ballot voters to select 4 city commissioners from a group of 13 candidates. 4 out of 13. How many ways can this be done?
I think I messed up.
Hold on. I'm going back to my work. There we go.
Would it be 4, 8? Is it a small number?
It's under 1,000.
Oh, I'm way off there. 4, 13.
It's 13, 4, 4. Wait, 4, 13, 4. I think that's right. What's the question? An election ballot asks voters to select four new commissioners from a group of 13 candidates. In how many ways do you do it?
So would it be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1?
What do you get?
24.
Okay, so it's a 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 time.
But would that be times 13? No. Yeah.
Times 13, and you should get what? 7?
If you do 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 13,
Mm-hmm.
312?
Mm-mm.
No.
It's, oh, you use the 14, 14, 13, 14, 13,
12 and 11.
12, and 11. So 14, 13, 12, and 11. So 14 times 13 is what?
42.
Why you didn't teach the class machine?
Right.
And
You said 13 times 14 is 382.
so 13, 12, 11, 10.
I got 382.
One-
Oh yeah. I was hitting
14 times 13. And then you said 12, 11, 10.
Because it's only 4 spots, and we're starting at 13, right?
Oh, so
182.
So it's 13, comma 12, comma 11, comma 10. That's the 4 spots, right?
Yeah, that's what I was doing at first. I don't know why I
And
started at 10. I mean at 6. Not 6. Hell, 4. I'm sorry.
so you get 13 times 12
182. No.
times 11.
156 times 11. 17. And then times 10, right?
Yeah.
171, 17, 160.
No, we're missing something.
Do you divide that by 4 since you're selecting them in 4s?
What do you get when you divide it by 4?
Say it again.
What do you get when you divide it by 4?
4290.
Yeah.
What about when you divide it by the
13.
14? Yeah, the 13.
$132. 1320.
Let me just pull. I don't want that. Let me pull this up.
13,
Because it's 13, 12, 11, 10. That's the 4 spots.
You said 13, 11, 10?
13, 12, 11, and
Right,
10.
okay.
Isn't that the 4 spots? Right.
17,
Why am I-
160.
So what happened to 14 times 13?
I didn't hear you.
I said, what happened to 14 times 13?
Because it's not 14 spots, it's only 13.
Oh.
We were using, it's only 13 candidates. So I'm just using this formula. Election ballot has voters to select six commissioners out of 12. Okay, so we have 4 out of 13. I'm just going to fill in like this is filled in. See what I get.
Come here, let me write your nose.
So effective positive energies to from one given frequency.
You want that?
So 6, so it would be, we did that. So 6. Oh, we did the top, so it would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
I see.
I see your head, don't move your head. So it's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to
4 times 3 times what?
2
2.
times 1, 24.
Oh, no, not 6.
No, 4.
Yeah. So it's 4. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to what?
24.
24.
So
And
24.
then you divide that into you divide 17, 160 by 24.
And you get
Oh shit.
Becky.
7:15.
And that is right.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I got.
Hey, Shannon, don't be having me thinking I'm over here tripping now. I've been studying, so I'm like,
That's what I got.
if the boss don't agree, that ain't right.
We got an 80.
Okay, so on which ones did we miss?
6 and 8.
And six was what question?
6 was the crap.
So
Come
one
on.
out of one over
40.
28.
Oh,
What was the question?
Oh my gosh.
I didn't put 1 out of 128.
I didn't
We
put that
didn't
either.
anything.
Oh, is that the answer?
I put
Because
It's one,
we'll come
49.
back to it.
but it was 1 over 128.
That's
Oh,
the
that's
answer.
the right answer.
That's the answer, yeah.
And
And
what
then
was
the
on
other
A?
one was the 0.995.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
So the 0.5 was right.
Sharon was right.
Yeah.
We knew better than go against the Sharon.
She said, I don't think that's right. I want to go a different route.
So is it really 0.9 like she was saying?
No.
Hers was 0.953.
Yeah, 0.953 is the answer.
I'm taking.
And that was number 8.
That was number 8.
8.
What was number 6? Because we didn't finish that. That was
1 over
128.
128.
and that was B, right?
That was that was the one that says independent.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna pass my book.
Okay, guys. I'll send this into him and CC everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right, y'all have a good night.
You too.
You too.
Bye.